Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Windows Server 2022 Data Center Edition in VMware Workstation. So we need to download the VMware Workstation and install. You can download from the Google and VMware website, and you have to install that. And second, download the Windows Server 2022 ISO file. So already downloaded the 2022 ISO file, and I have already installed the VMware. So this is my VMware Workstation Pro. So here we'll learn how to create a virtual machine, how to install Windows Server in VMware Workstation. So first open VMware Workstation. So this is a VMware Workstation. Just go to the file, and there is an option new virtual machine. So click on the new virtual machine, click on custom. So I am using the virtual workstation 16.x. So go to the next. Here I have a ISO file, so install the disk image for ISO file. So browse the path, and there is a path in D drive. I have a ISO file already downloaded. ISO file, there is a Windows Server 2022, and I am going to click this one, select that one, and go to the next. Yeah, Windows, Microsoft Windows. So 2022 is not there, so not a problem. I am just selecting the Windows Server 2019. Go to the next. Leave the virtual machine name, and I'm going to change the location of the virtual machine file. So I have created in D drive. There is a one folder I have created. There is a virtual machine. I'm going to create the virtual machine and giving the name AD server. Just I'm creating this virtual machine for the AD server. So click on, so AD server is there. I'm changing the name AD server. So now click on next. Click on next. Here I am going to give the 2 processor and per 2 processor per 2 core. So total processor core is 4. Click on next. I am allowing memory for the 2 GB, 2014 MB. It become a 2 GB. So there you can see that 2 GB is enough for me for my work. So I am going to click on next. Here I am just creating use network address translation or use bridge networking. So I am creating the use network address translation net. Click on next. Yeah. LSI logic next, NVMe non volatile memory, and here I am going to create a new disk. I am giving the space 20 GB enough for me for my testing. So I am giving the maximum disk size 20 GB, and store virtual disk as a single file. So I am creating the single file. I don't want to multiple files. Click on next. The file will be created at the VMDK. So AD server.vmdk file will be there. So click on next. I need to, if you want to customize more, then you can customize hardware or just click on finish. So virtual machine is created. Now I am going to start the virtual machine. So power on the virtual machine, click on next. Click on space or any key. It will start loading the ISO. So my language is English. Next, install. For the testing purpose, I am going to use the Windows Server 2022 Data Center Desktop Experience. Click on next. I accept the Microsoft software license terms. Click on next. Customize the disk space. So click on the disk space. click on new, apply, okay. So this is created. So partition 3, I'm going to install this one 19 GB because these are the in MB, this keeping the partition table. So click on next. So it will start installing. So I'm going to pause the video for now because this will take some time, installation file. So installation process, when it will complete, I'll just continue the video. Now we are going to continue the process. Okay, so I'm not using any I don't have the product key for the Windows server. I'm just going for the testing purpose. So I will just click on the do it this later. Giving the password. So I'm giving the simple password admin@123. Click on next. Finalize, applying. So this is created. Let me log in. So login is successful. Let me check the IP. IP config. So this is 192.168.61.161. Let me check with my local system. Ping 192.168.61.161. So this is not accessible. Let me bridge the network. Here let me go to the status detail. So 1 into 2, this one 43. No, let me check this one 61.1. So this network is adopted by my virtual machine. So click on this and my local network I'm going to create and created a bridge. So one bridge is created. Now let me check. Okay, still let me check the firewall. 161 and I'm checking with CMD 172.16. Okay, ping 192. 168.61.161. Okay, it's coming failure, not a problem. Let me check the firewall. I'm going to turn off for now for the testing purpose. Generic failure. One 192.168.61. Sorry, 192. This is not taking 1 1 192 168 61.161. Okay, global DNS I'm going to put. Okay, let me check. I'm going to remove the bridge. I don't know why this is taking some problem. Ping 192.168.61.161. Not now. Ping 192.168.161.161. Yeah, this is coming now. So without bridge this is coming. So I think first time was the problem with the firewall, so that's not an issue. So now I am going to take the remote control of this server. So here go to the local server. Here remote is not allowed. Remote desktop is disabled. So click on that. Allow remote controller control. OK. Click on apply. Then OK. Then now let me check. So MSTSC 61.161. So server is accessible now. See the server what we are created, so that is accessible now. So in this video we have learned how to install the Windows Server 2022 data center edition in VMware and how to access with the remote control, how to enable the remote control. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.